Hello and welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we're embarking on a journey to transform your home into a haven of peace and tranquility, a verdant sanctuary filled with the quiet joy of plants. Imagine coming home to a space that breathes life and serenity. Just as we carefully choose items that spark joy in our homes, we can cultivate that same sense of peace and happiness with the addition of greenery. Plants not only beautify our spaces, but also purify the air and uplift our spirits. Join me as we explore 20 essential tips for indoor planting, designed to help you nurture thriving plants and create a space that truly nourishes your soul. Let's begin this green adventure together. Just as we need sunlight to thrive, so do our plant companions. Choosing the right location with adequate sunlight is paramount. Each plant, like each person, has unique needs. Understanding your plant's individual light requirements is essential for its happiness. Watering is an act of care, a gentle dance between giving too much and too little, a delicate balance that nurtures life. Finding the right watering schedule for each plant is key to ensuring their health and vitality, as each plant has unique needs. Just as a house needs a strong foundation, our plants need nourishing soil. Let's explore different soil types and their benefits. Misting our plants replicates the gentle humidity of their natural environment, leaving them feeling refreshed and revitalized. A pot that is too small can stifle a plant's growth, while one that's too large can lead to overwatering. Let's find the perfect fit. Just as we need nourishment to thrive, so do our plants. We'll discover the right fertilizer and application techniques. Occasionally, unwanted guests may visit our plants. Let's learn how to identify and gently address any pest concerns. Rotating our plants ensures they receive sunlight evenly, encouraging balanced and harmonious growth. Pruning, like a gentle haircut, helps our plants grow stronger and bushier, promoting new life and vitality. Many indoor plants originate from tropical climates and crave humidity. We'll explore ways to recreate this environment. In spaces where natural light is limited, grow lights can provide the essential energy our plants need to flourish. As our plants grow, they may need a larger pot to accommodate their expanding roots. Let's learn the signs and techniques. Thoughtful plant placement can enhance the energy of our homes, creating a sense of balance and tranquility. Just as we nourish our bodies with wholesome foods, we can nourish our plants with organic materials. For those new to plant parenthood, certain varieties are more forgiving and easier to care for. Dust can accumulate on leaves, hindering their ability to absorb light. A gentle cleaning can work wonders. Just as we thrive in community, some plants benefit from being planted together. Know you've been a good friend. Just as our needs change with the seasons, so do our plants. We'll adapt our care to ensure their well-being. Did you know that talking to your plants can actually help them grow? The power of positive energy. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the heart of indoor gardening. It's been a wonderful experience sharing tips and insights with you. Remember, caring for plants is a practice in mindfulness and appreciation for the simple joys of nature. Each moment spent with your plants is a step towards a more peaceful and fulfilling life. May your home be filled with the vibrant energy of thriving plants and the peace that comes from nurturing life. Let every leaf and bloom remind you of the beauty and resilience of nature. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with fellow plant lovers. Your support helps us grow and continue bringing you more content. Until next time, happy planting. Keep nurturing your green friends and enjoy the journey.